What is up, you guys? It's Fabian from the Jan's channel, and right now we are in Reusel. Now this is a city in the province of North Brabant, and I was just checking on Google Maps what is there to see near my city, and take a look at this. So this is a beautiful watchtower which we are going to climb, but also on that side, I don't know if you can see it, it looks like small islands as well, because the water is really high in the Netherlands. It's raining for the last 3-4 months, almost non-stop, which is weird because it's summer. Anyways, this week and then next week I will upload some more Dutch stories. After that I got some more travel stories again, because we are going to Egypt, Estonia and also Finland. So I got like a lot of content coming up from that. With that said, hope you guys enjoy the video. Take it easy. So for those who know me, know that I don't like heights, but yeah, we're still going to climb up because I want to see the view. But I don't know if it's open or not, because it looks like there is a gate around it. So we're just going to check that out. I hope it's open. And this is a beautiful landy area. Let's go up. I hope I can go out the same way, otherwise I'm stuck. And I really have a bad flu. I don't know why, I'm like coughing for over 1.5 weeks. And today I called the doc, and she was like, yeah, as long as you don't have a fever, it's fine for your lungs. But yeah, you can cough for over 4 to 6 weeks. I was like, okay, that's nice. I really love this tower. This is nice, and it is high already. I don't know what the height of this tower is. I have to check that up. Check it for you guys. But it is pretty high. Damn. Okay, so we made it. It is really high. Woo.
Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up, because it motivates me to make more videos.